How about Southern California? Southern Cal, you got the Unit 4 around the Delaware Bay. Come on. That's a Mexican guy. Are you in Mexico? Come on. How about it, Southern California? Unit 4, also known as the Bearded Clam on the Delaware Bay. And I'm waving the crabs. How about it, Big E? How about it, Big E? 176, your friend Crazy Bob. Crazy Bob, New Jersey. Come on. Crazy Bob, New Jersey there, 176. How about it, 176, Crazy Bob, New Jersey? Yeah, I think he was. Crazy Bob, around New Jersey. How about it there, Homer Simpson? Okay there, Big E, Homer Simpson. I got you on the Watergate there. Do you know Quarter 20? I got a good friend out there named Quarter 20. Over. Alright, these Mexicans are walking on you, but Quarter 20 is a good friend of mine, and so is Buzzard Shit. I'll wait till later we get better conditions there. 176, your friend Crazy Bob, around the mosquito swamps along the Delaware Bay, New Jersey. And I just got down.